Time for some interesting weather. We take a lot of great phone calls in the weather office, and most of them are okay, they're justified, and others are a little off the mark. Tonight, we're going to try and clear up some of those misconceptions about weather and bust some myths. So, which one do you think is the big severe weather killer? Flash flooding, the powerful hurricane, or the deadly tornado?
Tornadoes?
Hurricane.
Tornadoes, flash flooding.
That's right, it's flash flooding. It happens so quickly and covers such a large area, it's number one.
Wow.
But guess what? Extreme heat and cold kills the most combined, representing 40% of all weather-related deaths. Flooding grabs 14%, tornadoes stand at 12%, and lightning gets 11%. The hurricane? That's only 1.5% of all weather-related deaths. It's only a matter of time before flash flooding returns to Kern County, and one of the biggest myths is that you can drive through flooded roads if it's not too deep. Wrong. You may know the area, but you can't see what's under the rushing water. It could be much deeper than you think. Instead, think this: turn around, don't ground. Can you get electrocuted by someone who's been struck by lightning?
Oh, I wouldn't think so.
Wait 5 minutes.
No.
Lightning travels through the victim and into the earth and dissipates. It's okay and important to get that person help. And lightning can and does strike the same place twice. The Empire State Building has been hit hundreds of times. So you're in your house when the big one strikes. Where do you go?
In the bathtub?
Supposed to be under a table, not a door frame anymore, they don't say.
Doorway?
Not necessarily. Being under a door frame with a swinging door during the shaking, especially one with glass in it, is probably not the best idea. That could hurt you. Being under a sturdy table is a better idea. Ever heard this one before? This is earthquake weather. You know, shake and bake. This is false as well. The bad theory is that warmer weather allows water to sink further into the soil, lubricating tectonic plates, lubricating them to move. This is nonsense. Earthquakes start miles underground and can strike in cold or warm weather. Alcohol does not warm you up in the winter. In fact, it causes blood to flow to the skin and away from our internal organs, an actual reversal of the natural process that keeps our bodies warm. How about weather folklore that works?
Check out this sunrise, you guys. You see some of those clouds coming on through? That's the tropical moisture making for a red sky.
A red sky at night means the setting sun is sending light through a high concentration of dust particles, and that usually means high pressure or stable air is coming in from the west. Mare's tails and mackerel scales make tall ships carry low sails. These wispy clouds are shaped by strong upper-level winds. These usually indicate a cold front and an approaching area of low pressure. Crickets do chirp faster when it's warm. Why? They're cold-blooded and become more active in warmer weather and more chirping. Want to know the outside temperature? Count the number of chirps in 15 seconds, add 40, and you'll be close.